This is a thing of the past, preventing the truck from reaching that 10th gear. Just like that. Can't find it. We've all been asking for it, and now it's here. Welcome back to the Blue Garage, guys. I am Greg. We got Zena here in the back, and we're sitting in the ZR2. Got an awesome project that we've all been asking for. If you have a 2022 or newer Silverado or Sierra, Premium Performance Products is hooking us up with Range Technologies DFM Disabler. Got it right here. Premium Performance Products is hooking us up with this. Can't thank them enough. I will put all the details down below and talk us through this project. What it's gonna do, again, disabling that DFM, that Dynamic Fuel Management System, and that AFM. Don't have to hit the button anymore to shut it off. I know that's an easy fix. Can press a button, but most importantly, it's gone. We don't have to worry about it, guys. So let's get started with this install and let's have some fun. Every time I start this truck, like many of you, we have the same routine that we do. So obviously start the truck up, shut off the auto stop or AFM system by pressing that button, coming down to our shifter, putting it in L or the manual mode here, and coming up to your paddle shifters and shifting all the way to 9th gear, preventing the truck from reaching that 10th gear. That way it can fluctuate the DFM system or activate the DFM system, which fluctuates the engine anywhere from 8 cylinders down to 4 cylinders, fluctuating which cylinders at any given time are working, creating uneven wear and tear on your engine. So what this product will do is disable that permanently and increase the longevity and health of your engine. So this is a thing of the past. I won't have to do the shifting like many of you. We've all been asking for it, and now it's here. So this is gonna be awesome. I just can't wait to get it installed, and it's gonna take 10 minutes or less. All right, so now we're gonna unbox this, get it started. Quick, easy 10-minute install, not even. What I'm gonna do is actually take out my wheel well liner. You guys do not have to do that. I'm just doing that so you guys will be able to see for yourselves exactly where this plugs in, because there's 3 terminals that we can plug into. It is the bottom terminal, and yeah, let's just get it started. There we go, pretty simple. This side plugs into the truck, and the wire that plugged into the terminal to begin with plugs into the back end of this. Pretty simple day. Unplug, plug in, lock it in place, and you're good to go. So let's get started. Thank you guys for watching all these videos. As you see, these are all companies I've worked with, maybe parts that I've purchased for my vehicles in the past, places I've gone and visited. If you guys have made it this far, you guys have enjoyed all my content and want to get added to the sticker wall, so to speak, make sure you hit that subscribe, make sure you hit that like button, and share this with your friends. It helps the channel grow. It gives people the opportunity to see more of my content because it'll be placed front and center on YouTube whenever they sign on. And then I can just put their stickers right here. And one of the reasons I get to work with all these companies is because you guys tune in and watch all my videos. It helps even more. You watch it, you hit that like button and subscribe. That helps tremendously. So thank you guys, I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for tuning in. So before we get started, we have to disconnect the negative terminal on our battery. Alright guys, so let me show you real quick where the module actually is. If you go to the back of your wheel well liner, it's right there. or the plug-in is the bottom here. So let me set my stuff down. It's right here, this bottom piece. So very easily I could actually unclip this red clip and pull that out. However, I'm just gonna get the liner out of the way so you guys can clearly see what I'm about to do. So in order to get to it, like I said, you can pull that liner back or you can remove the wheel well liner. I'm only doing this so you guys can clearly see everything that needs to get done. Now you can see clear as day where we're going to be plugging it in. This bottom connector is going to come out. So all you're going to want to do is pull this red clip out, push this black lock down, and slide the locking mechanism all the way to the left. It will pull out, let's see, just like that. All right, now I'm laying under the truck. For me, it was the best angle to get two hands on this so I could pull it out. Mine is a little tight in here, only because, again, look at all the sand and debris under here. Tons of off-roading lately. So now we're gonna install the module itself. The way you wanna look at it is you want the range logo on the driver's side or on the left-hand side. There's a little locking mechanism here. You're gonna hear it clip into place. So basically, clips. There you go, that little click. You can tell that it's out because it is pushed out this way rather than decompressed down. So I'm just making sure I'm tugging it back just to make sure it's good. Now we are going to connect the harness to it, making sure that is all the way in place. And then we're gonna push that back. As you see, whenever I push this back, it actually decompresses and joins the range module itself. You'll hear that click and then lock it with the red tab. That's all you have to do. Now it's nice and secure. Now that we're finished installing the actual module itself, now we can reconnect our negative terminal on our battery. And we can test out the module. Go ahead. Good girl. All right, guys, I'm gonna hop in, see if it works. Make sure everything's seated properly. Everything was nice and tight, nice and snug in there, in place. But of course, gotta make sure that the truck starts. All right, guys, everything started up just as normal. Gonna just take it for a quick little drive around the block and see how she runs. I'm gonna have to get out of the habit of putting it in manual, so it's now in drive D. I'm gonna stop extra long at this stop sign. Right now, the light is on here. Normally that would mean that the AFM is active. Complete stop, let's see if it shuts off on us. No, we're still running. I can shut off that light and it does say auto stop off. However, I'll leave it on. It says auto stop on. Nothing's happening. I'm at a dead stop right now, guys. Probably 30 seconds, 40 seconds or so by now, and it's working. And I'll hold a constant 25 miles per hour here for a little bit, just see how the DFM works. See if we hear any fluttering. That normally is indication that the DFM is activating and floating between the 8 cylinders. Not getting any of that. It's actually running really smooth. Seems like it's shifting really evenly, really smoothly between gears. no jumping as it shifts, anything like that. Yeah, it drives great, guys. No issues at all on my end. Problem solved. Such an easy fix. Again, Range Technologies makes the product, but you can get yours for 10% off using the code BLUEGARAGE on buyp3.com or premiumperformanceproducts.com. So make sure you get yours. Silverado, Sierra, Tahoe, Suburban, Yukon, Denali, you name it, and get it on your 5.3 liter or 6.2 liter 2022 or newer vehicle. It's a must. I mean, having that AFM and DFM is so frustrating, so annoying. This drives better than it did before. I honestly, I'm blown away by how drastic of a difference it is. If I had another truck, I would buy two because it's that good. It's just so much smoother. It's just crazy. Even with shifting into 9 and disabling the DFM, or quote unquote disabling the DFM, it never quite shifted properly. That was really smooth. That was night and day difference now that it's properly disabled. Alright guys, we fixed Chevy's problem. AFM, DFM, complete. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys get in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think about the AFM, DFM. Do you like it? Do you want to go without it? Do you like the Range Technology product? Do you like premium performance products? Let me know. And again, Blue Garage, save 10% on yours. It is worth it, guys. Worth the purchase. Right around the $200, $220 mark, and never have to worry about it again. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that like button and share it with your friends, guys. I know there's a bunch of truck guys out there that wish they knew about this product. So again, lastly, premium performance products, guys, go get yours. We'll see you guys next time. Take care. As always, guys, all links will be in the description below for all of my products, including the Range Technology DFM disabler.